So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my experience after 1 year of being on YouTube. Hey guys, your girl Bella. How are you? Hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, I'm not talking about anything related to credit, but what I am going to talk about is my experience after being on YouTube for 1 year. I know, I can't believe it myself, but I did start my channel in February 2018, and it is now March of 2019. And boy, can I tell you, I have learned a lot. I learned a lot about myself and also about YouTube. So I'm going to go over 5 main topics that I think are so important if you yourself want to become a YouTube content creator. So the first topic would be, this is hard. Like, I really didn't imagine it would be this hard being on camera. I am not shy by any means, and anyone who knows me personally knows I love to talk. But when this camera gets on, like, I get nervous. Like, my palms get sweaty, my heart starts to race a little bit, and my nerves get bad, you know? And cause it's just hard. It's just weird hearing your own voice. Like, when I'm editing my videos and replaying them to review them and whatever, it's just weird hearing my own voice. So I've had to kind of get over that so I can keep putting out videos. So if you want to be on YouTube, something to think about, and definitely something you have to get over in order to move forward. Next thing would be preparation is key. So when I first started my videos, I didn't really like have a game plan. Like, I knew what I wanted to talk about and I would just get on camera. And it wasn't really the most efficient way to do things, because then I'd have to like do a lot of stop and retakes and edits, and it just became very time consuming. And I do work a 9 to 5, so I have to be very efficient on how I spend my time. I can really only record on nights and weekends, right? So now what I do is I have a running list of topics that I want to cover. And even like my Fix My Credit Friday segments, I take questions from you guys and I keep a list, and then I select one when I'm ready to record a video. So once I have my topic, then I figure out, okay, well, am I well versed in this, and can I just write a script, or does it require me to kind of go and do some research before then writing the script? So I do my research if need be, and then I start working on a script. Like, I literally can write something. I just learn and absorb better when I write it versus typing it on a computer. And then so I will write the script, and then that's like my starting point to then kind of start rehearsing. And as I'm rehearsing, I make tweaks and make edits, and I kind of rehearse it 5 or 6 times before I can say, okay, I'm ready to kind of start recording. So definitely think about having a game plan so you can execute your video recording in a more timely and more efficient manner. Next point would be consistency is key. I know it's been said 10 times over in all the videos that I've watched on YouTube, because I have watched YouTubers who are successful to kind of learn their tips and trades of the game. And that's what pretty much all of them tell you. Consistency is key. And I myself can attest to that also, because in January 2019, I only had like 1 video, maybe 2 videos posted. And then I ended up with like 300 minutes of watch time. So clearly people were either watching those couple of videos, or they were watching videos that were already on my channel. Then in February, I posted videos consistently, and I tripled my view time in February. I had almost 900 minutes of view time. So in order to be successful, consistency is key. I cannot emphasize that enough. The fourth point would be the analytics here on YouTube are so important. Even though I've been on YouTube for a year, I literally only started looking at my analytics a month ago. I know, it's crazy, it sounds stupid, but it's true. I was actually gauging my success by the number of subscribers that I had. And I only had like 20 subscribers or 21 subscribers in January. So I kind of felt discouraged. I did. I felt very discouraged. I felt like nobody was watching my stuff. So that's kind of why I wasn't really posting videos anymore. But then by getting that email from the YouTube, I think it's called the YouTube Creator Studio, I believe. They send you an email each month to tell you how well your channel is doing. And I'm seeing that even though I only have a small number of subscribers, I have a lot of watch time. Well, for me, it's a lot. 900 minutes of watch time in a month is a lot for me. So now I'm like, wow, that's great. I couldn't believe it. I was like, seriously? But yeah, it was great to see that. So at least I know people are watching my stuff, even though they're not subscribed to my channel. So that's something that I need to work on. And I actually started doing that recently. If you look at my earlier videos, I wasn't doing the call to action. I didn't say like and subscribe or hit the like button. I wasn't doing any of that. So now in my more recent videos, I started doing that. So I'm hoping in the near future, I'll see a return on that change. So if you want to start to get on YouTube, definitely look at your analytics. It'll tell you a lot of things. It'll tell you what keywords people are using to find your videos, what where the traffic is coming from, whether it's a link from YouTube, a link from Instagram, or from your channel directly. It tells you how long people are watching your videos on average. It'll also tell you how long they're watching each individual video and at what point they're dropping off. So when you go back, you can kind of see where you should tweak your videos to keep that audience retention. So it's so important to pay attention to that. And now that I am aware of the analytics, I'm like all over it. So I'm trying to use that to help me improve my content and my delivery of my videos. And my last point would be just keep going. If you believe in your message, you believe in yourself, just keep going. Just keep doing it. You don't need 1 million subscribers to be successful, you know? If I just stay at these 30 subscribers that I have, that's okay too, you know? I myself believe in my message. I believe in what I'm doing. So I'm going to just keep going, and we'll see where, you know, the next 12 months takes me. And I'll probably do another update in March of 2020. All right. So that's pretty much it for me, guys. If you have any comments, feel free to put them in the description box below. We can maybe have some back and forth. If you are a fellow YouTuber, maybe we can kind of learn from each other. I'm definitely still in the learning stages, and I'm definitely still a work in progress. All right. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, just make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of when my next video is up on YouTube. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.